I was about to start work on a custom exhaust for the S4 when my old welder died on me. So I went to trusty Amazon and ordered the Feifanke MiG 135 welder as a quick replacement. This 3-in-1 welder runs on 110 volts, pushes up to 135 amps, and automatically matches voltage, current, and wire speed based on the wire you're running. I'm mainly using this for flux core welding, but I did test out its arc setting. And in the future, I might also buy a torch and some gas and try my hand at lift TIG welding. This is a perfect budget-friendly setup to keep the project moving and get that custom exhaust knocked out.